For far too long, the Earth's population has been overly dependent on traditional resources for building materials. The need for these goods has caused negative effects on a global scale, including deforestation, clear-cutting, a contribution to climate change, and mankind's ever-increasing carbon footprint. At the same time, farmers throughout the planet have been plagued with the problem of how to dispose of a massive amount of crop waste and other organic materials, often being forced to burn the unwanted leftovers of agriculture. Clearly, new solutions are needed to deal with these global problems. Now there's a solution to deal with both. Introducing Strawjet, an innovation whose time has come. The Strawjet system was created with a simple concept in mind: to make sturdy building materials out of waste agricultural products. Strawjet was first devised and tested in the United States, yet has proven its versatility in one of the most remote and underdeveloped places on the globe. Strawjet CEO Paul Ware found himself in Malawi, a small landlocked country located in Southeast Africa. Malawi is one of the most densely populated and least developed nations on Earth, and its inhabitants subsequently suffer from many of the problems commonly associated with overpopulation and desperate poverty.
We decided to go to Malawi at Strawjet because we found that there's a huge deforestation issue, and that's one of the key components Strawjet was designed to affect, was deforestation. So in Malawi, they chopped down all kinds of trees to make tobacco drying sheds, and one of our lead engineers looked at the project and said, you know what, we can actually build this out of Strawjet using the waste tobacco husk. And we sent our machine over there. We trained some villagers there in Kindakesa, there in Malawi. And the next thing you know, we had a working operating tobacco drying shed built out of tobacco drying husk.
Strawjet's business plan includes applications for both the developed and developing parts of the world. In the developed world, the Strawjet system is utilized to quickly and easily manufacture wall structures, fill, and insulation, allowing for simple and rapid construction. And due to the flexibility of Strawjet material, walls can be straight, curved, or wavy. In developing countries, the system greatly reduces deforestation and can be levered to increase the average income of inhabitants by using locally occurring feedstocks instead of materials that either necessitate the cutting down of what's left of the natural forest or transportation of goods across thousands of miles, resulting in an ever-increasing global carbon footprint. The Strawjet system is simple because it takes that which was once burned or discarded as a nuisance and compresses it into tough, usable building materials, while contributing to critical carbon sequestration. Moreover, renewable building materials can be made from rice, wheat, and maize after harvest of edible components, palm fronds, Jerusalem artichoke, hemp, or nearly any other locally occurring natural fiber. The result of the Strawjet process is a natural renewable resource and a cleaner, more livable planet. And there's more good news. Since this system uses a completely mechanical process, there are no chemicals or potentially hazardous or non-renewable glues or industrial processes.
I think one of the most exciting things about the Strawjet system is that it solves multiple problems at one time. So it allows us to, first of all, address the most significant problem, which is a scarcity of resources. So we don't have as many trees as we used to. We're running out of the limestones for cements and so forth. The Strawjet system allows you to directly affect that by creating a new building material.
The fact that the Strawjet is highly portable adds to its versatility and usefulness. It can be easily transported and swiftly assembled on site. Remember, a unit was set up and put into production in Malawi, one of the most remote and underdeveloped locations on Earth. The Strawjet system can be put to use in virtually any location in the world. With global resources stretched thin and the reality of ever-increasing world populations, the viability of traditional building materials steadily dwindles. Therefore, new products must be put to use, capitalizing on materials that already exist in abundance.
Here at Strawjet, we believe the future belongs to people who invent new systems to create a cleaner, greener planet, which reduces climate change, creates natural building resources, and most importantly, reuses that we once thought was waste.
This is an engineering solution to a global problem, with a core purpose dealing with nothing less than basic human survival. It's an idea whose time has come. Strawjet, building sustainable futures with innovation from the earth.